At tayo iinom ng water. Kasi magpapa-ultrasound ako.
Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. Cause this is real love.
Hello everyone, it's Melanie and we are now at the Premier Medical and Cardiovascular Laboratory. Dito ako nagpapalaboratory guys every 6 months and 1 year. And I am with my daughter. She accompanied me today and thank you so much, Shobe. As you can see guys, mas konti ang tao ngayon dahil hindi available ang clinical procedure. Ito yung ginagawa ko guys para ma-monitor ang aking health, lalo na may health issue ako. And thank you so much to my daughter dahil sinamahan niya ako ngayon.
Ano masasabi mo?
And ito yun guys, sa mga procedure na gagawin today. Meron akong x-ray, mammogram, whole abdomen ultrasound, breast ultrasound, and yung to the echo. Ito yung guys, ang 5 procedure na gagawin today. Medyo magastos lang talaga guys kasi medyo may kamahalan, pero okay lang guys, kailangan natin talaga i-monitor ang ating sarili.
May ano yan? Hindi yung ultrasound. Actually sa x-ray yan. Yun guys. Medyo maaga pa pero hindi pa ako tinatawag sa ano pang next ultrasound.
Guys, natapos na natin yung ibang procedure, pero hindi pa rin tapos, so I have to wait for my turn.
At tayo iinom ng water. Kasi magpapa-ultrasound ako. Whole body, abdomen ultrasound. Yan, tapos na ako uminom ng water and I'm ready to have the ultrasound. So, wait lang natin ang third ko. Yun, isa na lang. Yung today ko na lang yung kulang. Yan. Today ko na lang. Hintay lang tayo ng tawag. Okay, dito. Wala masyadong tao kasi wala yung clinical.
Ayun guys, isa na lang ang kulang guys. Yung to the echo na lang. Magto-12 na din and I feel so hungry na, but I have to finish this one first before we eat.
Kainan na, lunch. Late na ang lunch. Honey! Kapula. Favorite color mo is red? Ha? Ikaw ba pag-anak?
Give that in hand.
Ikaw muna.
Everyone, it's Melanie and gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang results. Nandito na yung mga results ng aking laboratory. Okay naman guys ang results. So, hindi ako masyadong na-stress. Kasi, yun ang naman talaga ang ating kailangan na malaman ang result na maganda. May konting problema, pero understandable naman dahil galing ako sa vacation. Kaya tumaas ang aking cholesterol and sugar and also my uric acid. Pinagawa ko guys ang aking clinical procedure sa high precision diagnostic kasi hindi siya available sa Premier. And here is the result. Yun nga, sa aking urine, ganun pa din, same as usual. Pero, explain naman ng doctor, I don't have UTI. Yun, yung chemistry, yung sa blood. Yun nga. Dahil nga guys, galing ako sa vacation. Nag-vacation ako ng 1 month sa Cebu. And, you know, kain doon, kain dito, lechon. Ayun, kaya mataas ang aking cholesterol. Pero, hindi naman sobrang taas. Tumaas lang bigla. Kasi, dahil nga sa mga food intake na ginawa ko sa Cebu for 1 month. And, also, yung uric acid, because kumain ako ng mga bawal, like yung mga intestine, dinuguan, or yung mga bawal na mataas sa uric acid. Ayun guys. And tumaas din ang aking sugar dahil pinabayaan kong kumain ng matatamis. Kasi syempre guys, pag nasa vacation ka, hindi mo mapigilan na kumain ng matatamis. Ang daming masasarap na matamis sa Cebu. Kaya ayun. Pero guys, nakita na rin ito ng aking doctor. Sinabi niya sa akin na magda-diet lang. So, hindi na kailangan ng gamot para sa cholesterol, para sa uric acid, and pati sa aking sugar. Makokontrol naman yan guys. Kasi ever since naman, hindi naman ganito kataas ang aking mga result ng aking sugar, cholesterol, and uric acid. It's under yung ano lang, moderation lang. And also, after 6 months, gagawin ko ulit ito para malaman natin guys kung bumaba nga siya. And also, ito na yung pinagawa natin guys sa Premier. Ayan, yung x-ray natin guys is okay. Walang problema ang ating x-ray. Ito yung chest x-ray. And next, yung mammogram. Bakit ako nagpapamammogram every year? Kasi kailangan ko kasi guys magpamamonitor. Dahil nga nung na-surgery na ako, kailangan lang talaga na malaman natin na walang nag-transfer or namuo ulit na hindi maganda. Kaya kailangan kong magpamammogram every year. Ayun guys, walang problema at wala silang nakitang mass or whatsoever. Ayan. Kaya okay ang aking mammogram. And yung breast ultrasound is also okay. Wala ding problema. Thank you Lord. Ayan. Walang problema ang aking breast ultrasound. And also, my whole abdomen ultrasound. Okay naman guys, lahat walang problema. Yeah, normal size liver with mild fatty nga lang. Kasi yung liver ko, medyo mild fatty dahil nga yan sa mga gamot na iniinom ko. Yan, saka sa mga kinakain natin. Pero okay lang daw sabi ni Doc. Normal naman daw yung lahat ng nasa loob. Like yung gallbladder, pancreas, spleen, kidneys, urinary bladder, uterus. So, lahat naman ng abdominal parts ko is okay. Kaya, there's nothing to worry about my abdomen. Okay naman, guys. Ayun. So, there's nothing wrong with my whole abdomen. So, okay ang kidney ko, gallbladder, and so on. Lahat ng nasa abdomen natin is okay naman, guys. Completely okay. Okay, and so yung 2D echo naman guys is okay naman, walang problema. And the last time I had my 2D echo is last 2016 before my surgery. 2017 before my surgery. And okay naman yung heart ko guys. And until now, ganun pa rin ang standing ng heart ko. Yun guys, ito yung mga pinagawa ko sa Premier. Yung x-ray, mammogram, breast ultrasound, 2D echo, and whole abdomen ultrasound. So, lahat ng result ng nasa Premier is okay. And also, I just wanna share to all of you yung result ng aking bone scan. And I'm perfectly okay. After my surgery way back 2017, And ngayon lang ako guys nakapagpa-bone scan and okay naman guys ang result, walang problema. So, I am happy dahil mostly sa aking mga laboratory is okay ang aking result. So, there's nothing to worry about and gusto ko lang din mag-thank you kay God dahil He makes me stronger. Ayun guys, kaya thankful ako dahil lahat ng mga laboratory test ko and even my bone scan is okay. Lahat ng result is okay. Medyo konting diet lang dahil sa, di ba tumaas nga ang ating cholesterol and uric acid and my sugar. Pero controllable naman yan guys. After 6 months, this coming December, magpapalaboratory ulit ako sa blood lang at saka sa urine. So, ayun guys, hoping na magiging okay na ulit ang ating sugar, ating cholesterol and uric acid. Kaya bawasan natin kumain guys ng fatty. Yan. Thank you. Dahil wala tayong magiging problema. I hope next laboratory okay pa din. I feel happy. Happy ako. Happy ako dahil wala akong iisiping problema about my health. Kaya thank you Lord. Thank you so much. And yan, kailangan talaga natin guys na ma-monitor ang ating health para hindi tayo magkaroon ng problema sooner. At kung meron man tayong magiging problema, kailangan lang natin siyang harapin, tanggapin, at gamutin. Ayun lang. And thank you sa lahat ng nandyan na nanonood ngayon. Ingatan natin ang sarili. Huwag tayo magpaka-stress. Be happy. And don't forget to smile. Ayun. Thank you so much for watching and God bless everyone. Bye!
Thank you for watching!
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? Out of sight, the way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. words that I think